everyone, I'm Jenna from Zebra AI class. Halloween is coming! It's a ghost festival in the West. Do you know the saying trick or treat? Well, on Halloween, kids will dress up in cool costumes and visit their neighbors asking for candy or a treat. If they don't get a treat, they may pull a trick on you. So, today, I'm going to prepare some Halloween treats. Are you ready? Let's bake! These are the ingredients we need to make Halloween cookies. 50 grams of butter, 25 grams of sugar, 10 grams of egg, 95 grams of flour, and 5 grams of milk powder. And we want these cookies to be colorful, so look at our flavors. The green one is matcha. Purple is sweet potato. This one is strawberry. The yellow is pumpkin, perfect for Halloween. And this brown one is chocolate. Let's have a look at our spooky molds. Can you guess what this is? It's a scared cat. And what's this? It's a spooky bat. And look, what's this? It's a jack-o'-lantern. And this? It's a witch's hat. It's pointy. And this is a haunted house. And one more. Ooh! It's a ghost. Okay, let's start mixing our ingredients together. Now I'll mix together the butter and sugar with this whisk. Mix, 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 mix. Last things we need to add are the flour and the milk powder. It's time to mix again. This time I'll use this rubber spatula. Ooh, it's so fluffy. All right, here is our cookie dough. I need to make this cookie dough into small balls. Ta-da! I want to make a purple bat, a brown cat, a green hat, an orange pumpkin, and a pink haunted house, and just a plain white ghost. Ghost, push, like that. Haha! Ooh, spooky! Jack-o'-lantern. Yay! Mwahahaha! A witch's hat. Yee-hee-hee-hee-hee! Now the haunted house. Do you dare to enter? Cat. Squeakle, squeakle. Ha! Come on. Okay, he's good. He's fine. Yay! Last one. Bat. Eek, eek, eek. Our cookies are all cut out. Whew, that was kind of hard. Now it's time to put them in the oven. Come on. Now we need to wait about 10 minutes. And then it's time to eat. Look at our cookies. They smell wonderful. Look at this adorable jack-o'-lantern cookie. Do you know the story of jack-o'-lanterns? A long time ago in Ireland, a man named Stingy Jack never wanted to pay. This made the devil angry, so when Jack died, he had nowhere to go. The devil gave him a candle, and Jack put this candle inside of a turnip, and that was the first ever jack-o'-lantern. Pretty cool story, huh? Look, I'm a witch! Hey, you can learn to sing the trick or treat song. It goes, trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. What a funny song, right? It's finally time to taste a cookie. It's really crunchy. Yummy. Hey, are you ready for Halloween? What costume are you wearing? Take a picture of your Halloween costume and leave a comment below the video. If your comment is good, we'll send you a Halloween gift. Okay, time to save these for Halloween. I'll see you next time. Bye!